Hello, beautiful soul. I'm Lauren. Today we'll wake up your abs and build strength with a simple Pilates flow. Take a deep breath and let's begin.
I get carried away when you tilt your head and say my name. I know I wanna see that face every day. I can taste the ocean air on your lips. I get carried away when the sunset fades into your kiss. Ooh, I get carried away when I see a future in your eyes. When I catch an image of your shoulders dressed in white, and every fear buried deep disappears, and all my heart and all of me is yours right here. When the story of our lives is running circles through my mind, oh, it's the smallest moments that I recall. Guess the little things aren't little after all. I get carried away when I'm looking back at a picture frame, with no idea how our lives were gonna change. With every line that writes itself on our skin, I get carried away, I count each one like it's a gift. When the story of our lives is running circles through my mind, oh, it's the smallest moments that I recall. Guess the little things aren't little after all. And when my time's finally come to its end, I'll see it once again. The story of our lives flashing by me one last time. Oh, it's still the smallest moments that I recall. Guess the little things aren't little after all.